At Shakti Pumps, Robato Systems successfully implemented an advanced ESD Access Control Solution, ensuring automated compliance, secure access management, and complete operational traceability. While employees wore ESD-approved uniforms and footwear, compliance verification remained manual, creating challenges in monitoring and record management. Robato Systems implemented a complete ESD access control solution integrating employee authentication, compliance testing, and automated entry control. Real-time SAP integration ensures accurate employee records, enabling efficient access management and digital traceability. The employee authenticates using an RFID card, completes ESD validation, and upon successful compliance, access is granted automatically while all activities are securely recorded. Identity verification, automated access control, and secure record logging ensure a seamless and fully traceable exit process. Real-time dashboards and automated reports provide complete visibility into compliance, access activity, and operational performance. Partner with Robato Systems to build smarter factories, strengthen compliance, and unlock the full potential of Industry 4 and digital transformation.